Hey everybody, how are my Glow Tarts doing today? I hope everybody's well. Alright guys, so we do have the first variation box for the July BoxyCharm. So this is exciting. There are a couple of products in there that we haven't seen before. They are variations. I'll show you those at the end. Here is the box variation, and then I'm going to show you what's in this box. Now, I found this on BoxyCharm Sneak Peek. The first thing is the Butter London Natural Goddess palette. God, I love this palette. It looks so gorgeous. Next is the Elements Superfood Vital Veggie Mask. And then next is Luxy. I don't know how to say this. Is it Gaia or something like that? New brush trio. This is a brand new brush set or brush trio set that Luxy has put out. And next is the Alamar Cosmetics lip gloss. And again, this is a variation. And then the next thing is another variation item. It's the Appeal eyeliner. Now, this is the first box variation, and as soon as they come out with any more, I will keep you guys updated, and BoxyCharm is linked below if you want to go check them out. So always make sure your bell is on. That way you're notified of every single video I upload. You do not want to miss any spoilers. Also, guys, rate the video for me if you would. Give it a thumbs up if you liked it, thumbs down if you didn't. That shows me exactly which videos you guys have been enjoying and which ones I need to adjust just for you. And one more tiny favor before you guys go. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button and join my Glow Tart family. We would love to have you. And I love you guys so much. And I will see you in the next one. Bye, guys.